Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 38, motion. In this worksheet, we will learn about equation of motion and circular motion. First of all, we will derive third equation of motion or time and position relation by graphical method. Observe the given velocity time graph. Here a velocity time graph is given to you in which object is uniformly accelerated where u is not equal to 0. From this graph you can see that initial velocity of an object is u at point A and final velocity is v at point B and time interval or time is denoted by TOC. The velocity changes at a uniform rate A. So A is acceleration. A क्या है बच्चों? Acceleration. U initial velocity, V final velocity, and time taken to change this velocity is T. It is denoted by T or OC. Draw a perpendicular line BC from B on the x-axis. So you have to draw this line perpendicular to x-axis and line is BC. Here initial velocity, final velocity and time interval is represented by OA. OA is initial velocity, is it means u, BC means final velocity, V and OC is time interval, that is T. We know that the distance travelled by an object is obtained by the area enclosed within. So area of OABC, OABC. So this area is distance travelled by an object. So area of OABC or S equal to OA plus BC into OC divided by 2. Here OA is U. Now put up the value U or write in terms of U, V and T. So we will get S equal to OA is U, BC is equal to V and OC is equal to T. When we put up these, when we present this equation in the form of U, V and T, we will get U plus V into T upon 2. This one is first equation. Now from velocity time relation or first equation of motion, V equal to U plus AT. So T will equal to V minus U upon A. This we get from first equation. Therefore replacing T in equation 1. So we will replace the value of T by this reaction. So then we will get S equal to U plus V within bracket and in second bracket V minus U upon 2A. From this equation we will get third equation of motion, that is 2AS equal to V square minus U square. When we solve this equation, we will get third equation of motion. Now circular motion. What do you mean by circular motion? Is there any situation where speed of an object in motion remains constant but it accelerates. आपकी कौन सी ऐसी सिचुएशन होती है बच्चों जब स्पीड क्या हो, ऑब्जेक्ट इन मोशन रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट बट इट एक्सीलरेट्स. इट हैपन्स when an object undergoes uniform circular motion. जब यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट होती है, if we move a stone tied to a thread along a circular path while being stationary at point, its speed may remains constant but the direction of motion will keep on changing constantly. जब हम किसी स्टोन को थ्रेड से बांधकर गोल गोल घुमाते हैं बच्चों, तो क्या होती है, इसकी स्पीड जो है इट्स स्पीड में रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट बट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोशन विल कीप ऑन चेंजिंग. डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोशन चेंज होता जाएगा. एंड ड्यू टू दिस मोशन इज कॉल्ड यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. इस मोशन को हम क्या कहते हैं, यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन क्या होता है, यूनिफॉर्म circular motion means when an object moves with a constant speed in a circular path, then its motion is called uniform circular motion. Examples are given to you. An athlete running on a circular track. अगर कोई एथलीट सर्कुलर ट्रैक में दौड़ रहा है तो कैसा मोशन है उसका, यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. A satellite revolving round the earth or planets revolving round the sun, all these are uniform circular motion. If the radius of the circle is r and the time taken to complete one lap is t, and if v denotes the velocity of the object, then v equal to 2 pi r upon t. So how will we find out velocity? We can, using this formula, we can find out the velocity. V equal to 2 pi r t. Pi, the value of pi is 22 upon 7. It is fixed value. Pi is equal to 22 upon 7. So from this formula we can find out the circular motion of an object. Now we will discuss question answer. First question is, write first and third equation of motion. So first equation of motion is v equal to u plus at. This is u. And third equation is 2as equal to v square minus u square. This is u. Question number 2, derive third equation of motion from velocity time graph. This is answer of this question is given to you in the worksheet. You can derive third equation of motion by this derivation. Next question, give 3 examples of uniform circular motion. So you have to write the 3 examples of uniform circular motion. So you can write these example: satellite revolving round the earth, or second, planets revolve round the sun, third, athlete running on a circular track. So you can give 3 examples of uniform circular motion. Your next question is, find the speed of an athlete who completes one lap of the circular track with radius 100 meter in 1 minute. So you have to find the speed. How will you find the speed or velocity? of the athlete? By writing this formula, we can find out the velocity or speed of athlete. So, first of all, you have to write formula V equal to 2 pi r upon 2 upon time. So, r is given to you, r equal to 200 meter. You have to find out velocity or speed. So, put up these value, and t is given to you. T means 1 minute. 1 minute means how many seconds बच्चों? 60 seconds. So 60 seconds. Now put up the value. V equal to 2. Put the value of pi into 22 upon 7. Value of r is 200. Then write this 200. And t is, you have to write t into, t means 60 seconds. So you have to write 60 seconds. Now calculate the value of speed or velocity. By this we can calculate very easily. 60, 10 is cancelled by this 0. Then 6, 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. Now we will multiply our fraction part of in this equation. 22 multiplied by 20. So this will come 2 2 0. When 20 multiplied by 20, we will get 2 2 0, and 7 3s are 21. So upon 21. When we divide 220 from 21, we will get 40. No, not 40. 21 ja 10.47. So answer will be 10.47 meter per second. This is your answer. Thanks for watching.